Joy! Hey, what's up everybody, I'm here. Today we are going to unbox the JOYOR S5 ABE certified electric scooter. So what does ABE mean? ABE certification is typically for vehicles and components. So just in one sentence, it complies with European safety and quality standards. Wow. Let's get started anyway. The box, that is the charger and its cable. Some others, manual, it even comes with a spare tire. Okay, and some other tools like you see here. Okay. Alright, that's what's all included in the box. Now let's assemble it. First, you have to unfold it, and you press this lever, and this thing will pop up, and like this, okay? And then you, just like this. Did you hear that click? That means you successfully unfolded it. All right, for safety, you can also press this thing down to wrap it around. And that's it. Now, let's assemble the handlebars. First, have to screw off this top cover. Then, okay, loosen these two screws. We can adjust the height a little bit later. Let's just fix this first. Put this top cover, tighten it. Okay, perfect. And lastly, ooh, the screen. Wow. All right, and that's it. That's the whole installation process. I think this is probably the easiest e-scooter I've ever installed, I've ever assembled. All right, and that's it. And let's just turn the thing on. Should it be person hold? All right, there you have it. The screen is a color screen. So we have the battery indicator, your chip, your current speed, and the mode that you are in. This should be like press the plus or minus key to adjust different modes. It has 3 modes, 3 gear, right? Wow! That is the motor. It's super quiet. Alright, that is the unboxing and assembly of this e-scooter. I will do a really super detailed review later, so stay tuned for that. And that's the video. Thanks for watching, and Sam will see you in the next one. Bye bye.